just throw this out, latch it onto the ice, and reel them in. Wait, what?
Here are the top 5 times the Mekbots turned a fail into a fix. Number 5.
When I release this lever, you will go shooting, gracefully flying, right up to the area where you will deposit the eagle with her brood.
Why do I listen to you? I was right. The distance is perfect. Within an inch. I need to see the doctor after this.
Fail. Fix.
One step at a time.
You did it, Maylin! Good job! So epic!
Hey, little friends. Whoa, Mama. You still need to rest your wing. Let me help you. You're welcome.
Number 4.
The rope is breaking! Help!
All right, here's what we'll do.
No time, Mateo. Excuse me. Coming through. I need to start over. See ya.
Oh.
Oops.
Fail. Fix.
How about if we climb together to save Nick and Nancy? Our weight will be equal on all 3 sides, so the tree won't bend.
Let's do it.
Doing great.
It's the Mekbots working as a team. We're saved. Ew. How are we gonna get this honey off?
It looks like you'll get help from a friend.
That tickles.
Number 3.
That snowdrift is blocking their way to the water.
And that snow is about to fall.
We better be quick.
Mateo. Mateo. Over here!
Quick, follow me.
Come on, little guys.
Hurry! You'll be safe in the cave!
Mateo, what happened?
I'm sorry, the big mouth got us into this.
Fail. Fix.
Since an avalanche brought all this snow down, if we make another noise, we can trigger another one.
To bring it down even farther.
Good idea.
Okay, everyone ready to make a lot of noise?
1, 2, 3.
One magnificent sled hill.
Number 2.
Okay, let's coax Akati back to the watering hole.
Guys, let me handle this. Rhino to Rhino. Hey, big guy. I love your horn.
Fail. Fix.
That's it. He couldn't see I'm a friend because rhinos don't see very well. Voila. Glasses for my rhino buddy.
Right on, Kauai.
Genius.
It's a great idea. Hey, big guy. It's me, Kauai. I love rhinos and... Aww, super cute. I just love happy endings.
And number 1.
The pink dolphin baby is lost somewhere in this lake.
That dolphin has to be here somewhere. There you are, you little... Ah!
Fail. Fix.
Frost? He's using my aqua gear prototype.
can't see her. I know.
He's using echolocation. That's how dolphins find each other underwater.
There you are, little cow. We've been searching everywhere for you.
Amazing, Team Mekbots! What a smart save!
Bring it in. Bear hug.